Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for my Moto G7, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decide to pick up the Moto G7 and you want to protect your investment. I decided to pick up these cases from Sparin from Amazon. You can actually pick these cases up for $8.99. Bam, there you go. It's actually Prime eligible. You actually get 5% off also. And if you want to pause it, you can definitely read that too. Don't worry, I will have links in the description, so if you want to pick up these cases, you can definitely do so. It's not a bad price considering you actually get 2 cases in there. Let's get into this. Let's test out the case. Let's make sure it's worth our money. Nice little presentation. Again, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. So you get a box with 2 cases. I'm going to put one on the side. Let's take a look at this case. There's the bag if you care about the bag. Here's the case itself. It has some type of grip in the inside. It's TPU. It has the raised corners for that drop protection. Look at that beautiful thing. You don't want to mess it up. So let's see how this case fits. First thing we check on my channel always lip action. So you get some. I wouldn't slam it down. Same thing with the camera hump. You can place it down. You don't have to worry about scratching up that little camera cutout there. Look at the power button too. We'll test that out too. Look, you have your volume rockers here, the power button. The cutouts line up. Look, you even have one for the microphone down here. The microphone up there too. Nothing on this side. But let's see if the power button works. Definitely does. Fingerprint scanner is easy to get to. Do you hear the volume rockers? Yes, it's easy to press, easy to get to. Everything works out on this case. Look at that. Now let's test the fit. It's a little loose. I mean, I won't complain. It goes back in there pretty good. Even the sides. What you think about this case? I definitely like it. Even the sides have some grip right here too. Makes it a little bit easier to grab. I don't see any type of branding on here. And it shows off the beauty of your phone. So again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have a glass screen protector actually coming from the same company, Sparin. Also, I will buy some more cases so we can try them out. Give us different options on the cases for your Moto G7 because you can never have enough cases. At least I don't think so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell so that way you're notified when I drop a new video on the Moto G7 or any other phones coming out like the Galaxy S10 Plus. Also follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.